To create a course in ALEKS, you'll first want to log into your instructor account. Once you're logged in, you can either use this class drop-down menu in the upper left-hand corner, and at the bottom you'll see where you can create a new class. Or you can use the sub-navigation menu to click on your class list and create a new class here. When creating a new class, we're going to be creating a new one from scratch, but know that you can always copy an existing course either from yourself to duplicate for a new semester or copying from another instructor. In this case though, we're going to be creating a brand new class from scratch. If your institution uses class templates, you'll also have the option to link to a certain class template, but in this case I want to create a brand new one. Once I click next, I'm going to be asked to insert some class information, including a name for the course, as well as a start date and an end date for the course. Once I've selected that, I can scroll down and select my class content, including the textbook and the course product. In this case, I am going to be using a McGraw-Hill textbook, and it's going to be mandatory for my students. When selecting the course product, you want to make sure you're selecting the right course product, as this will be the base for the ALEKS topics in your course. If you don't know which course product to choose, there's a list of recommended ones at the top of this list, or you can view the list of ALEKS course products to see all of them. When you're finished, you'll click Next and you'll be presented with some course and student options. The student option at the top is for incoming students, especially those who have already taken an ALEKS course. Depending on if you want them to carry over their progress from the previous course, or if you want them to start from scratch with a new initial knowledge check. You can also take a look at the unenrolled student settings as well as the accessibility settings for the class options, and once you're done adjusting, you can click Create Class. On the next screen that you're going to see, you'll be able to select from your class content. You'll be able to either create a module-based course or a self-paced course. In this case, I'm going to be choosing a module-based course where then I'll be taken in to create my adaptive modules for the course. Once I'm done creating my adaptive modules, I can also go under that class content and create anything that's non-adaptive in the course as well. Once you've created your class and created all of your assignments and adjusted your due dates, you'll want to take a look at the menu across the top to adjust anything else for your course as needed.